whole lot. We're gonna need 2 hands.
This, and fishing lines. I'll let it heat up first. Let me try to see. You can pause it. You can pause it. Yeah. Look for the other side now.
Paint scraper.
And then I use this glue gun to get all the glue off. And then the new one will have the same kind of tabs. It will stick right on. Make sure to be rubbing it, and then I'll record the ending again. This is what it looks like all cleaned off. Got my emblem in. Whew, love it. So because it says Genesis and it's so nice and big, definitely going to take that off, so it'll just have the 4.6 on there. Either way though, I'm just going to pop it in just a little bit, just so that you can see what it's going to look like. So that's what she's going to look like once she's on there. The process is pretty simple, like get it all cleaned up. Now, if you can kind of tell at an angle, there's still a little bit of the remnants. And I have tried Goo Gone and rubbing it, and it's just kind of not really coming off. But the way this sits on there, let's see if I can get it. Sorry. The way this sits on there, you can't really, you'd have to really try to see it. So I think just with time, with washing the car and different things, like, it'll probably work itself out. But I'm not going to keep fooling with it because I don't want to scratch the paint and I don't know how to get it off. To sum it up, basically, I would rather see that little bit of that line under there from the old H, the Hyundai, than see scratches there. And if I keep working at it, I'm going to end up seeing scratches. That'll bother me more than that will. So, here's the process. I can't do it with one hand, but I'm going to peel that off. And you just push it on there, hold it about 60 seconds, and you should be good. And I just would suggest don't wet the area, i.e. wash the car, for at least like 3 days. Just give it some time to cure. This 3M stuff to cure real good. And that's it. Let me do that real quick. Alright, so because this one's longer, obviously, like you see where it is on my hand, I didn't just push in one spot for the 60 seconds. I kind of moved my hand around as I was pushing, both hands, so I can make sure that it's really nice and stuck all the way along, because you can kind of see, let's see if I can see this. I had to really push here because of the angle of the trunk so that it wouldn't be separated there. But it is on there, did it a little longer than 60 seconds, and this is what it looks like. And this particular badge I got is the brand new one from the G80 2018. The reason I picked this one is because it has the brushed silver and the chrome. All the other ones that I was looking at that were this style, with a sharper edge style, unlike the older one, which looked a little more like wafty with the little wing part. I wanted the edge one, but they were all just brushed silver. And my car, as you could tell, has the chrome all over it. Only part that has brushed silver is the front. And it's brushed silver and chrome. So when I saw that one for the new 2018 G80, I was like, that is the one. Perfect. It ties in the front. Now with the back. Now, because I got the Genesis there, I can get rid of that. Declutter that back up. Man, it's going to be nice. Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya.